Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a stunning digital portfolio in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And then, of course, as you can see, it has a beautiful and interesting user interface with a lot of things going on at the same time. I'm just going to walk you through the process, of what exactly you need to do in just a couple minutes. So how do you create a stunning digital portfolio? There are two ways to go about that. The first way is to start designing or to create a design from scratch by clicking on this create a design button, or you can browse a wide array of templates that can help facilitate your creative processes. What do I mean? Now head over to here, the left corner of your screen, and click on template. So once you get to the templates, you can now search for exactly what you want, and it's going to provide you with a wide variety of templates that could help spur that creative genius in you. So head over to the top corner where you see search thousands of templates. So in here, all you just need to do is to be very, very sincere with Canva. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is type in digital portfolio, right? Because that's literally the core of this tutorial. So here you go, digital portfolio templates. Told you, you're gonna see a little wonders right here. So you're gonna meet creators that have done this. You're gonna see a lot of designs that could just, help you out. So as you can see, some of these designs are labeled Crown Pro. They are labeled Pro, meaning you have to try Canva Pro, subscribe to Canva Pro for you to access them. But then we have free designs that are also really cool that we can use, all right? Free designs that we can use that do not have that label thing. So let's look for something that's pretty cool and free. I think this is fine. This is 1 of 5. So let's see what this is like. So click on that. And once you click on that, head over here to customize this template. Then open that up. And it's going to take you to the editing suite. That is where you can now tweak the design by using a lot of elements that'll be provided for you. I'm going to show you how to tweak the designs. We don't necessarily go through all of them, but I'm just going to walk you through the simple tools, techniques, and tricks, that you can use to manipulate your design to what exactly you want. So the elements will keep loading up here. All right, so ensure that you have a stable internet connection so that you can have a free flow of design process. So here you go. So this is it. This is what it looks like. It has like 5 pages here. All right, so this is 1. All right, and this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So I'm just going to show you how to, change colors, change pictures, change text. These are like basic things that you need to do. And once you know how to do that, then you're just gonna be good to go. Okay, so here you have the first slide. All right, so let's say this is digital marketing presentation, and I want to change this to project management presentation. So I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to like double click and everything highlights, or you can get in that box and you can click on Control A and everything highlights. So I'm just going to type in projects management portfolio, because we're creating a portfolio. Okay, so that's one. And then here you have digital marketing. So I can also change this to project management because that's how I started with. That's what I started with. So double click and project. And this is, I'm going to double click and I have management. So also we have a situation here. So this text is like enlarged. All right, it's larger than normal. So for me to fit that in, I can head over to this top right corner where I have font size, and change it to, let's say, 90. I'm going to reduce it to 90. So 90, it's cool. All right, project management is cool. So you can change the font size from there as well to whatever you want. Okay, sorry about that. So I think I want this management thing to be a little bit bigger. Okay, so let's do Ctrl Z. All right. So I'm gonna make this 95. Let's do 91. 92. Okay, so that's how I want it to be. So make use of your slider here. If you move the slider backwards, all right, that's you zooming out, and take it in, that's zooming in. So moving the slider so that I can move in or zoom in. All right, so here you go. So I've have shown you how to uh highlight this, to change the text, to change the font size. So you can also click on that to change the font itself. So here we have Open Sans. You can click on that, and then you have a wide array of options if you think that this font is not giving you exactly what you want. So let's try this glacial indifference and see it has changed. So I can even change this text to something more legible. Let's say 20, and that's about that. So how do I change the color? Let's say I don't want the color right here. I want to change the color of this font. I want to change the color of the background. Just want to change everything. Let's head over to colors. So I just click on that colors, and here we have the color palette background color. So I'm going to click on that, and I like personally, I like to choose from photo colors so that the color will not be off. Because you have to be very careful with the colors that you choose on Canva, especially if you're using a different color that doesn't come with a template, because it may just look off. So I like to use the photo color so that everything can just blend in. So let's say I'm using this, all right, or I'm using this, or I'm even using the purple. So let's say I choose to use that. So now I've changed the background color. It means I have to do a lot of work with the text color as well. Okay, so this whole thing has to blend. So I said this purple. I don't really like this purple here, and I want to change it to something else. I can just click on this text color here, and it's going to take me to a wide array of options. So I can even change it to this. I can change it to this. I think I like this. So from here, if I want to make all of the purple, I want to change everything purple here to this particular color I've chosen. All I just need to do is to click on change all. So as I click on this change all button, you see that everything changes to that. So it means this particular color here, this element will have to change to something brighter, and this text color will now change to something darker. Yeah, so I hope you can follow what I'm doing. So this purple, of course, it has to change to this color because we want the whole thing. So click on that purple, and I'm gonna change it to that brown. So you see that has been changed to brown, and there's nothing purple here. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to move any element here or any text here, just hold, just left click on that and then move it. Just drag, left click, and drag all through the process. All right, so that's how to change an element or to move an element. So how do you change pictures? Which is going to be the last thing I'm going to mention here. So once you do that, I'm going to show you how to duplicate, delete, and so this is a picture here, and this can be changed. All right. So you can upload a picture by clicking on this upload button. So you can upload files from your system, yeah, from anything. But then I have pictures here already, and I can just move it. So here is a picture of somebody I admire. So what I'm doing is dragging and dropping. Yeah, drag and drop. So ensure you have a good internet connection. So I just need to drag and drop, drag and drop. If you're subscribed to Canva Pro, then I'd like to let you know that you can definitely change this background of this picture. But then I don't have that. But then there are also websites where you can change, the background of the picture. Like this background thing is already looking off. So, but then for me to blend it in, I can still manipulate it, right? Because the colors are already looking like what I don't know. So I can click on this background, and use for the colors, right? Like I said, I like to use for the colors. So let's say this for the color, it's cool, right? Or something darker, even this. So this blends in better, right? So this is it. So this is what I have been able to do with this first page. So the next page is here. So I've shown you how to change text, how to move text, how to change pictures. So whatever idea that you have, you know, to make your portfolio really amazing, this is the first slide. All right. So this is the second slide. So you can just push in your work here. And this is another one, project gallery. This is like a portfolio for a photographer. So let's say you're a project manager, you can, you know, push up pictures of the projects that you've handled here. I've shown you how to drag and drop pictures and also, you know, change the alignment. All right. So, and then of course, manipulate text. So our services is another portfolio, and then contact information. So this is really how you can create your digital portfolio. How can you duplicate? If I want to duplicate this page because I want the background to be consistent, I can just head over to here and click on duplicate page, and you can see this page is already duplicated, and then I can manipulate it from here again, or I can just click on delete to just delete the page entirely. So this is pretty much what you can do. All right, even when you click on an element, you can see this three dots menu here that takes you to a wide array of elements that you can explore. So just get creative, right? Just get creative. Now, top right corner, you click on share. Once you click on share, you can take it to the download options. Click on download and download your design, and you'll be good to go. So once you're done with this, because this is a digital portfolio, it will be better for you to download as PDF. So once you click on download, they're going to show you a wide array of download settings, which also include PDF. So click as PDF and download as PDF so you can have all of these slides in one beautiful refined document. So this is pretty much how you can create a stunning digital portfolio on Canva. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, trust me, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.